All right, let's talk about the lead story, wintry precip and the chance for San Antonio. Right now, the winter storm potential and what you need to know as of Monday. All of this subject to change as we get more data, as we get into high resolution and more accurate data. But here's what's likely. Most likely, strong cold front late Friday, 30-degree drop at least, and rain this weekend. Okay, so just bet on that. Possible is going to be the sleet, freezing rain, and snow flurries. Not likely a repeat of February 21. I know even seeing that month and year will definitely get some anxiety going. But, you know, and that was a huge power issue as well. But it does not appear that we're going to see that amount of precipitation. That is for sure. And we certainly aren't going to see any today. We don't even have a cloud out there. Deep bluebonnet skies over Morgan's Wonderland. Camp Calaveras Lake looking beautiful on this Monday. 69 degrees Seguin, Stockdale, Floresville, 67 in the city, 63 at Bernie, Bulverde running at 65. But it will cool off quickly once the sun sets. Have a jacket for Monday night plans. Once we get the sun down, we'll be dropping into the 50s as early as 7:30 or 8 p.m. 60s always that threshold for a light jacket. And then we'll get close to 40, but that'll be in the overnight hours, or I should say the 40s. I don't think we'll bottom out too cold tonight. We'll be warming up before we get this Arctic blast, that's for sure. Some good dry air is in place. That's the reason for all the sunshine, not a cloud to be found on this Monday. But we do have a nice little bundle of energy coming in from the south and west. It's going to bring in some rain on Tuesday and into Wednesday. It's mainly going to be late on Tuesday for us. But in the morning, if you're going out Highway 90 west or even I-35 south, you'll probably run into some scattered areas of light rain. Most of tomorrow's dry. The best chance of rain for us, and you see it not being too heavy, is coming Wednesday morning up until about mid-morning hours. Then this disturbance is east of us. But let's talk about Friday. That's going to be a quick shot of rain. Again, Tuesday night, Wednesday. Look at Friday's precip map across the state in the afternoon. Once we get the colder air, then you see everything changing over Saturday evening. At 6 p.m., we do expect a little bit of a wintry mix in the northern hill country. I think it stays all liquid during the day Saturday, but Saturday evening right now is the best chance of seeing some wintry mix that all pulls out by mid-morning to midday on Sunday. All right, a lot to show you on this 14-day forecast. We are on board the Go Rio cruise on the San Antonio River. Tomorrow, only about 58 with a windy, cool front coming through. Then 66 on Wednesday. So it's going to be chilly tomorrow, but it won't be too cold. 66 on Wednesday, 64 to even 70 on Friday. So we'll get a warming trend in, but then look at this drop off. From 70 on Friday afternoon, we stay in the 30s all day. 38 in the morning and early, mid-30s in the afternoon, precip about 50%. Then 20 to 30. So the good news is the precip chances and coverage goes down as the colder air moves in. We'll get down upper 30s to maybe, or upper 20s to about 30 on Sunday morning, then stay in the 30s all day. We've got light rain possible Monday, Tuesday the 27th before the sun comes out. And we'll stay chilly for several days. I mean, look at that. Mid-50s all of those final days of January. All right, let's take a look at your traffic commute.